A story untold, a world unexplored, and a road not taken. Yes, it's my story. The story of Genesis. In my own words, full of struggles, efforts, continuous perseverance, and determination. This is how I was launched. I was completely unknown when thousands of companies were mushrooming each passing day. I didn't know what future holds for me. Lost, confused, but still always with hope. Hope for a better future and endless success. And here I am today, in front of all of you, standing high with pride, all possible because of my people who gave their heart and soul to me. Let's listen to my story. Oh, our story. I'm so happy to see you all on my annual day, and thank you for celebrating in such a grand way. Thank you so much for my people. I was born in C2, Madhuranagar, Hyderabad in the year 1998 under style of GS Power Consultants as electrical consultants, and I started slowly growing with a single employee. My first milestone on 25th March 1998 when I bagged first order from Ambience Constructions, Hyderabad. During my course of initial footprints, I had to undergo serious struggles, obstacles to gain a foothold in the market due to heavy competition. Noting the boom for power generation market and to cash in the situation, I took up sales and marketing of diesel generators during the year 1999. After noting phenomenal success in short span of time, we tied up with Kirloskar as authorized dealers for sale of their DG sets in Hyderabad and Telangana region. Since then, there was no looking back and the saga of success continued. Each passing success paved the way for a new one and flourished well with each passing year. During our journey, first manufacturing plant opened at Balanagar in September 2001 with new dreams and aspirations. Achieved another milestone by crossing more than 1 crore turnover in the year 2002 to 2003, thereby establishing as an important player in the DG set market. As our sales have multiplied by numbers and to cater ever-increasing demand for generators, we have to move to another bigger size manufacturing plant at Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad in 2004. We proved ourselves as we were awarded Best Dealers in Andhra Pradesh for the year 2004 to 5, and we ranked 4th out of 250 dealers in India in a short span of time. Wow, isn't that great? And it gave us a lot of encouragement to achieve even greater heights. This is how people began to know us throughout the state. From my little office, we moved on to more spacious office at B45 Madhuranagar, Hyderabad. Having achieved a foothold and name in the market, we set our eyes on having our own brand image, and which led us to tie up with Ashok Leyland as authorized OEA for the state of AP, which is a major achievement in the annals of our history. This also led to renaming from GS Power Consultants to Genesis Poweronics India Private Limited in the year 2006. After obtaining the OEA, we opened up 2 more offices at Vijayawada and Vizag. Meanwhile, our thrust for more went on increasing, and we thought of changing our business logics with innovative ideas. Thus, we changed from local player to national level player by scoring off 2 more states, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. During the period of 2007 to 8, we crossed a record turnover of more than 10 crores, which is a great milestone achieved by us in the annals of Genesis history. This wouldn't have been possible without you. We added another important chapter in our journey for achieving even greater heights by building a state-of-art production and manufacturing facility equipped with world-class automatic CNC punching and bending machines imported from Japan. From this state-of-art plant, we have rolled out innumerable high-quality, high-performance DG sets to different segments to their entire satisfaction. We have in place well-knitted, experienced sales force as well as factory-trained technicians who are behind our success story. We worked harder and harder on to gain customer confidence, and we are recognized as a major player on the national scene, having achieved a position of leadership in this field through 15 years of hardcore experience, which promoted to expand our operations to all nooks and corners of southern states of India. At this time, we started spreading the fruits of success and reaping the benefits of hard work by posting impressive 25% market share in AP, which no other OEA in India has ever achieved at any time. Noting our phenomenal performance and success, Ashok Leyland have awarded the Best Network OEA for the last 4 years consequently, which is a feather in the cap of our family. In 2015, we have bagged the most prestigious project from Reliance Jio Group, to whom we have successfully delivered more than 250 generators, which gave us immense pleasure and satisfaction. We were expanding in every direction, as service is the backbone for any sector to enhance its business volume and to obtain the customer confidence. We have specially floated separate entity, Gen Service, for Telangana to take care of service requirements and also to retain our loyal clients, which gives edge over others. Besides, we also wanted a makeover. Along with that, we also entered into generator hiring segment under style of Gen Rentals, as there is vast potential to be tapped. Within no time, we could be able to place more than 100 DG sets for rental hiring, which is a very noticeable milestone. With an intention to serve the nation needs, we diverted into agro-based machinery and implements, which are in great demand. Right now, we are in infant stage, but we are sure one day we'll have our footprint in agro sector as well. Last but not the least, after our continuous struggles, efforts, and consistent high-level performance, we were awarded exclusive for Telangana region by Ashok Leyland, and we thank them for the same and also for reposing their faith and confidence on us, which is another great milestone for us. We are confident that one day we would be tasting endless success by adding many more states to our friend list. This is not the end, it's just the beginning. We have reached the peak, but the sky is unlimited. We wanna touch the sky and go beyond it. I would like to thank all of you for being part of this family, for working so hard and help flourishing and making it what Genesis is today. Our major strength is you, without which we would not be flashing success all over the country. I started with I, just a single person, but now I'm we with my people. Let's hope for the best. Let's pray for the better tomorrow. Let's dream new dreams together to make a reality. Let's join hands today and say, Long live Genesis. So, let's dream new dreams together for a better tomorrow. Lastly, I would like to thank one and all for patiently listening to my unending story, which I hope you will feel proud. Love you all. Thank you.